Hey crafty ones, Ariana here, and I am going to show you my January planner setup using a bunch of Cocoa Daisy goodies and other goodies that I'll share with you. So I'll just start with what planner I'm using and the charm. So I'm using a Carpe Diem planner, and it's a personal size rings, and then this charm is some charms that I just put together from different shops. This one's from Reaping Willows. These are from my stash. I got it like Hobby Lobby. I forgot where this is from, but I'll link it if I remember. And then all the other ones are just goodies from my stash. So let's just dive right into it. I'm super excited about this setup because it's different than any of my other planner setups. So if you've seen other videos of my planner setups, you'll see how much more functional I'm being with my planner. So I'm super excited about it, and I think this is really going to work for me throughout the year, and I'll probably tweak it and whatnot as time goes by. But I'm still doing a lot of pretty things, but it's more functional. So my pockets are still just purely for looking at. So I have my little Simon card and my washi samples on tags, which I do use, and then just some fun little elements. I put an Inspire sticker here. This is one of those magnetic bookmarks. I just like the camera. A little gold feather for the new year, and this cute paper clip, which is from I think it's Impala Designs on Etsy. And then I have this card from Cocoa Daisy and these sticky notes. I only have one right now because I've been using them, so I'll just stick on some more as I need them. And then in the back pocket, I just have, I do one-on-one art sessions, so that's just me jotting down ideas. I have a stencil and then a ruler. And then for my first, what I wanted to first look at whenever I open my planner is this reminder, because I'm really wanting to get back into fitness and just being a healthier me. So I put this as a reminder: take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. It's a little card I got in the mail whenever I had ordered from Native. And then I just put washi tape on the back of it to cover like their writing. So yeah, that's just a reminder for me. And then we dive into my Cocoa Daisy inserts. And the paperclip I have here is also from Reaping Willows. So you have our monthly, which I kind of use just to see like what day of the week is what. But yeah, and then I have a little Dr. Seuss magnetic bookmark that my sister got me, and I thought it was so cute. So I added it there, and then a picture of me and my husband. And then we have the Cocoa Daisy Planner Challenge here that I just write out. There is a free printable that you can find online, which again, I will link down below for you. And then here is my monthly look, which I did decorate a bit. I do kind of want to add in some more, and I'll probably put in just key dates as well. So I used some die cut stickers from the kit. This right here is a cluster of die cuts. And then I have my first tab. So this is Month at a Glance 2019. And then my first divider. So Hello January. And then I have the Live Your Life in Color. So my tabs are what have changed. So my first tab is Hello January. And what it's going to hold is my weekly layout, and then I usually do to-do list here. And then it's also going to have these new inserts that I got from Peanuts Planner Co. So this is my weekly as well, but it's timed so I can see how I'm spending my time and block out my time accordingly each day. And then I have my meal planner within it, so that's why I have a top tab. And this is also from Peanuts Planner Co. So that's my Hello January tab. So this, I'm just gonna put in key appointments and then just like a highlight of what I want to complete that day, or like just things that I know are gonna definitely happen that day. That's what that's for. And then here I did a little key for, I'm using mild liners, so to block out my time. So gray is for when I'm planning, green is for work, blue is for my shop. The orangey color is for design teamwork and creative time, And then this other blue, so they're two different, this is like a teal and this is a blue, is for pet training and care. We just got a new puppy, and then also I have my older dog. So I just block out time for whenever we take our new dog Atlas to training, and then just play time with both of them. And then I have this orangey color for housework, and then pink for YouTube. So I'll probably, if I find like more things that I need to block out time for, I'll add it here and color coordinate it accordingly. And then how I'm using this is what I'm super excited about because it's so functional, and like I feel like today was the first time using it, and I already feel much more productive than I have been in a while. So what I did was I created this to-do list last night. So what I want to do Sunday nights, I want to create an overall to-do list of things I know I want to at least complete or start in the week. And most of this is just creative stuff, but I'll also have like housework, work, things like that. So I have a general list of things that I want to do. And then, what is this? That's to do. And then what I'm also going to do is each day I'm going to create a list of 3 things that I need to complete. And they can be small tasks or big tasks. So that's how I'm being more functional in my planning. And then as you can see, I'm blocking out time. So like green was for work, which I did this morning for an hour-ish. And then here you see orange, which is housework. I was cleaning the craft room. And then for like things that I don't need to color coordinate, like lunch, I'll just write in. But things that I want to be more productive in, I'm color coordinating. And then my meal planner, I don't know why I don't have it filled out. I do have a list of the meals that I want to do, but I really love this because I can write the grocery list on here, grab it, and go to the grocery store. All right, next tab is inspiration. This is also a new tab in my planner, and this is where I'm putting my content. And so whenever I need to like do a blog post for Coco Daisy or things for my shop or just like a new project that I want to work on, I can write where it's going, the platform, what it is, like the title, and then actions I need to take to complete it. So super handy for that. And then I also have a brain dump, some brain dump pages as well. And this was in the Coco Daisy personal dory that I cut down and punch holes to go into my planner. So now I just have extra paper. Next tab is Remember This, and this is my memory planning where I do my weekly memory planning. So if you've been following me, you've probably seen my memory planning videos. I also post them on Instagram, which you can check out, and I'm continuing to do that in the new year. We shall see how long I actually do this because I'm going to do a lot of memory planning in my Hobonichi as well. All right, next tab are my notes. And this has, again, cut out from the Daisy Dory. And so I have my monthly look and then just a notes page. So it could be a brain dump, anything. I just wanted to have a place to dump out my ideas. And then here I just have this clear dashboard that has this card. I haven't really used it, but I like it in here. We'll see if I use it. Next tab, this is also a new tab, lots of new tabs, is pet care. Like I said earlier, we got a new puppy, and I've also been wanting to track my older puppy, my older dog's stuff. So older dog is Professor, new dog is Atlas, and this is another insert that I got from Peanuts Planner Co. and kind of just made it my own. So I put the dog's name here, their age, what they are, how much they weigh, and then also their vaccines. Professor does have his vaccines, so ignore that it's blank. He got them in July. And then their flea treatment. I'm glad I'm documenting this because I gave Professor a new flea treatment. He ended up having an allergic reaction. So things to keep in mind. And then just other notes as well. So like when he has an upset stomach or anything like that. And then again, for our puppy Atlas, I have the same thing. My notes are his exams since he's having more exams, and then also Petco training since we're starting that soon. All right, next divider is my budget tracker. It's blank right now, which I'm glad because I don't really want you to see all of our bills, But pretty much I'm just going to put all of our bills here, and then any extra spending that we do as well. Really, we use every dollar for a spending tracker, but writing it down also helps me just to budget accordingly. And last tab is next month, which really just has my year. So these are also Peanuts Planner Co. and I have each month throughout 2019 so I can future plan. That's what I was missing before in my planners and it was driving me crazy. So I have the January monthly view and I've already decorated them, which I love. And then I can write key dates, like if we're gonna go on vacation, move, I don't know, appointments, birthdays, holidays, things like that. So that is a look of that in that. So I'll just do a quick flip. And I like that it's already decorated. I used Carpe Diem stickers. I'll show you. Use these Carpe Diem stickers. They're mini sticker tablets. Got them from Hobby Lobby. Used a coupon. And they were they're the perfect size for the personal size inserts of Peanuts Planner Co. And then I got this grand idea from Simone, I don't think I say your name right, sorry. And pretty much she told me that she has like a list of things so she can streamline her planning, and I thought it was such a great idea. So while I was setting this up, I knew it was going to be like my ultimate planner. So I just listed out the tabs that I have and kind of just the gist of what's in it. So that whenever I set up next month, it's going to go by a lot faster. And then also here I have my planner setup process. So like what I do to just make it go by faster, pretty much. So here you can see my tabs. I'll show you for a little bit if you want to like screenshot or whatever. I don't know. And yeah. And then I also put an extra pen here because I like to have two, the Cocoa Daisy pen and then this pen, the tool pen, which writes really nice. And then in the back, as always, I have some of the list pad and a little paper clip from Cocoa Daisy. So a little less decorating than I usually do. Obviously, I still have some paper clips. And a lot more functional. So I'm really excited about this. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite part of my new planner setup and how you're setting up your new planner. How are you making it more functional for you? How are you going to use it throughout the year? Definitely share with me. I'd love to hear. So thank you so much for watching, Crafty Ones. Until next time.